What's up, trombone players? We're going to be doing Jingle Bells today. Let's go. First thing you notice when you drop into this, we've got another A, B, and C part, just like in Jolly Old St. Nicholas. When you roll through it, you'll see that part A is the melody, and it is probably the medium easiest. Part B is the hardest on this one because you've actually got a lot of slide movement because of this new note. You have to go from 6 to 2. It's very different than 6 to 1, so only the bravest should try part B, okay? Part A, melody. Part B, pretty hard. And part C is the easiest. I would recommend this for most students. Definitely easy. Most of it's in first position. In this song, you'll see that there is a new symbol. It's the start repeat symbol right here. It means that when you play measure 1, 2, 3, 4, and get into measure 5, once you roll down and you start doing the second line, you go 9, 10, 11, and 12. When you repeat, you're not going to the beginning, you're going to measure 5. Okay, that's what that start repeat sign does. It's an enclosure, essentially. When you go through measure 5 the second time, you'll drop down from measure 8 to measure 9, 9, and 10. And then the second time, you'll skip the first ending and go straight to measure 13, 14, 15, and 16, just like we did with Jolly Old St. Nicholas. I have this broken down into 2 parts to practice. We have measure 1 through measure 8, which is this half note or this quarter and quarter rest. And then part 2, which is the half rest forward or the quarter here in measure 8. Just because I have them broken down into 8 measure phrases, that does not mean that is how you should practice it. In fact, when I'm doing this with kids in a classroom, I normally practice this in very small chunks, usually the first couple measures and then the next couple measures and then the next couple measures, because this is a lot of different content and it's very recognizable. It's easy to get frustrated. So don't wear yourself out and try to do all 8 measures at once. Instead, practice in small doses. All right, I've clicked on part A. Let's record. I've got my B part clicked. Here we go. I've got my C part clicked. Here we go. So like I said earlier, make sure you practice this in small chunks. There's a lot of content here. There's a lot of stuff to get frustrated with. But for me, when I learn these kind of songs, I learn them in small doses. put them together in itty bitty parts, play them until I get bored, and then I move forward with the next section. You guys are awesome. I can't wait to hear what this sounds like when we put it together. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.